Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, cruise control, four-wheel ABS, front and rear floor mats, FWD, rear window defroster, electronic stability package, security package, child safety rear door locks, side curtain airbag. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.